What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando, and we're going to be doing a little bit of an Infinity Falls construction update and seeing if anything else is going on around the park. Let's go! SeaWorld is blasting the music because, of course, Electric Ocean is this weekend. Yeah, we're here for that. No wait to get through security or through the main entrance. Let's go enjoy the fun. It's a little dreary out right now with that tropical system called Alberto out in the Gulf right now. But good news, the SeaWorld store is now open, and that means all the stuff that was right here in the Midway has been put back inside. A couple of the planters around the area that did house some of the merchandise are all wrapped up right now, and I'm thinking they're going to be getting rid of this very soon. A little bit of other news, the pathway that was over here at the waterfront is all done. So again, they were going to be doing some refurbishment on it, and it's all done now. Let's not forget our buddies with Sesame Street, Elmo Rocks. They have 3 show times on the weekends here at the Seaport Theater. Well, we know there's quite a bit of rain in the area, and I'm wondering if Sky Tower is open. Indeed it is, and it says it only has a 15-minute wait, but there's something else over here that we need to show you. Admission has gone up another $1, so it's now $3 to go on the Sky Tower if you do not have a 1-year, 2-year, or a platinum pass holder. See, it's running today. And there's the Bayside Stadium for Ignite. We can see all the different mechanisms out there that make some of the pyro and fireworks. Everything is ready. And a view from above at that pathway that got all that work. Again, looks very, very nice.
To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld.
Alright, so here is a look at Infinity Falls. And we can see right here the station area. It looks very nice. Lots of steel structures up everywhere. We're now seeing some landscaping in the area as well. Trough. A lot of work there, a lot of theming. Bridge right there. And then here's the rest of the trough. You can see, check out all the new landscaping. We can see the drop right there with the lifts.
SeaWorld's 200
looks pretty good right now.
Hyper coaster. Mako is named today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica. As the cabin rotates, you'll see Mako, Orlando's tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster. SeaWorld's 200-foot-tall hypercoaster, Mako is named for one of the ocean's fastest-known sharks, protecting our planet. Each ticket, each experience, helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and save it there, from park to planet. Interaction is a big part of the SeaWorld day.
And oceans they call home. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket, each experience, helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections.
So yes, $3 to ride the Sky Tower now, but apparently that is only for weekends, so during the weekday, it is still $2. Well, check this, guys. We have an Infinity Falls raft right here out on the Midway. We can get an up-close view of it, actually. They have the seatbelts in there now, and we can see Sea Collective. And, yeah, don't step on it. That wouldn't be good. And there's even a little sign out here showing World's Tallest Drop for Infinity Falls, and of course all their social media networks where you can connect with SeaWorld. man, what a beautiful thing it is to see the pathway so wide open. And there's a lot of stuff going on over here. Lots of new trees, plants, and shrubs have been installed, and also water is back inside the retention pond. We still have some of the pipes leading up out of the ground, and this is for electrical work. And what one of our viewers said is that they may even have bikes over here where people can generate power, apparently. A lot of trees now. And here's a look at the shop that is going to be directly across from Infinity Falls. We know that it's a shop because SeaWorld just released information within the last week or so. And there's going to be a lot of stuff inside of here. And it looks pretty good so far with all the new paint. Let's check up on Sesame Street, shall we? And first thing I notice is the carousel is back in operation and all the fish, yeah, they're back there. Looks good. Man, this area of Shamu's Happy Harbor is getting wrecked. We can see an excavator in there, and a lot of deconstruction has happened so far. Oh yeah, it is time for free beer. Yes, that is right. Beer is back here at SeaWorld Orlando, and you can get it right next to the Pretzel Kitchen here at the patio bar. And there's two selections, Bud Light and Make a Red Ale.
That's my life motto. I believe glitter. I sweat glitter.
Your mom saw this, she goes, "This is so you."
Me too. Where did you get the shirt?
Virginia Beach.
I got good friends there.
And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, Bud Light and Make a Red Ale. As we can see, free beer. Well, let's go check out the SeaWorld store and see what's new. Alright, so we're in, and first thing off the bat that I noticed, man, is this thing wide open, and it looks so much better. Literally, night and day difference. Lighting is excellent, and then we have a giant Jumbotron right here, and that's showing off some of the coral reefs and advertisements, of course, for SeaWorld. But again, just look how open this place is now. We still have all the plush, still have all the mugs, things like that. But phenomenal improvement here for the SeaWorld store. Well guys, that is going to do it for another SeaWorld Orlando update, and I gotta say, Infinity Falls looks pretty good. A lot of theming all around. They finally have a raft over in the area, and I'm expecting a lot more are going to be coming over. But yeah, hopefully an opening mid-July, fingers crossed. Sesame Street, a lot of deconstruction going on over there. But yeah, very soon, Sesame Street, yeah. So yeah, general improvements around the park, pathways, things like that, all looking pretty good. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.